Hi! Did you accidentally delete your favorite photos? And you want to recover it? I got you. I'm going to teach you how to recover deleted photos from recently deleted. Suppose you want to recover photos that you deleted within 30 days and you don't empty the recently deleted folder. Congratulations. In that case, it will be pretty easy for you to recover deleted photos from your iPhone. Here's the way to recover it. Open Photos and tap the Albums tab. Scroll up. Click the recently deleted album. In iOS 16, iPad OS 16.1 or later, use Face ID or Touch ID to unlock your recently deleted album. Tap Select. Choose the photo or video that you wish to keep. And tap Recover. Tap Recover Photo to confirm. If you want to recover all the photographs and videos in the album, press Recover All. When you recover photos and videos, they go back to your library. That's how you recover your photo from recently deleted. Easy, right? Thank you for watching.